Hi everyone and welcome to this video. This is Shad Abdu with the weekly analysis. So as usual, we're going to start with the euro against the American dollar, but this time on the weekly time frame, because we have here very strong levels that we have to highlight. So let's start with this strong resistance level 1.0800. Let me highlight it for you. So this area, the pair now is traded below it, which means that it might continue going downwards to reach its first target 1.05. So having the pair traded below this level means that this is very bearish for the euro and the pair might continue going downwards. But we should keep in mind the second scenario, which is if the pair goes above the level of 1.0800, traded above it, closes above it, this means that it might continue going upwards to reach 1.0950. This is the opposite scenario. Now let's move to the GBP USD on the daily time frame. First of all, show you something here. It is traded here above a strong support level, and this is going to be very clear on the weekly time frame. I wanted to show you that it was not clear on the daily, but now it is very clear on the weekly time frame. So what we can do now is to wait for some bullish evidence to show up here. Buyers should react in a bullish way here, so we can join them. So we're waiting for some bullish evidence to show up here, then we can go long targeting our very first target, which is going to be 1.20. This is going to be conditioned by the continuation of trading above the level of 1.15. If there is a weekly close below this level 1.15, this is going to be very bearish for this pair. Okay, let's continue with the gold on the daily time frame. It is traded above a strong area here, 1450 to 1447. Now what we can do is to wait for some bullish evidence to show up here, that we can go long targeting the level of 1540. Okay, just in case the pair shows up bullish evidence here, we can go long, and our first target 1540. Let's move to the JPY on the weekly time frame. Well, actually we're waiting for some bullish evidence to show up here as well, because we have some very bearish candles. 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish candles. So I would expect that there would be like a pullback here, so the pair would go upwards, but we need something to tell us that this is going to happen here. So what we can do now is to wait to see how traders would react here, how the pair would react here at this point, and in case it shows up bullish evidence, we can go long. Let's move to the Australian dollar against the American dollar. It is traded below a strong resistance level 0.60, and in this case I would wait for the pair to reach the support area 0.56 to 0.55. Okay, in case the pair shows up bullish evidence here, somewhere here, I would go long targeting this resistance level for the second time, which is this one. This is going to be conditioned by the continuation of trading above the level of 0.5520. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful week.